Hey, it's Kara again. We're here at the vet hospital, and of course my mom holding Sarah,
Send it some paper in
and then my grandfather.
Next year, when they send for her tag renewal, I'll just write on the deceased and send it back.
My baby.
Hey, go step on a scale.
What? I'm not gonna step on the scale.
What's the big deal?
She's gonna post your picture on the internet on her website.
Yeah, I'm doing a web series of videos. Like different videos.